Hey YouTubers, Steven here. How's everybody doing? Well, another Donair video to add to the playlist. I'm quite excited for this one. One of you commented on one of my videos that I haven't done a Donair Loaf, which is true. So, hey, you know what? Why not? I always kind of wanted to stay to the authentic style, like the strips of meat, they would shave off the Donair spit. But, you know what? Why not? Craving Donairs. So we've got some ground beef. I got a loaf pan. I have become a bit of a fan of meatloaf over the past few years. So why not? Let's get this done. So I'm going to get the meat in their mixing bowl, and I got our spices already mixed up, and we'll get this all thrown together. Some of my hamburger's still a little frozen, but that's alright. Something I like to do is spread a little bit of the Donair sauce around, the spice around. Just to make it a little easier for mixing it all in. Cold, semi-frozen. We'll get her mixed in there. Now comes the dreadful part of mixing it. The one thing I hate about mixing the ground beef is, it's cold. Alright, so we just squish it in the pan like that. We're going to heat the oven to 375. I'm going to leave it in there for 45 minutes, and then I'm going to check it with a temperature probe. It should be done. Usually when we do meatloaf, it's done after 45 minutes. But I'm going to clean my hands and we'll be back. Alright. Take that probe out. There we go. Look at that. Donair Loaf. I'm going to drain off some of that meat. I'm just going to let that just sit for a few minutes. I don't know if it's coming out on the camera, but it's just like a little volcano here. So I'm going to let this sit. I'm going to drain this off, and then we'll come back to slice this up. Oh, man, this smells good in here. Alright, so we've got it all drained off. And yeah, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge to cut this thin, but I'll give it a shot here. Well, that's not so bad. I think my knife could be a little sharper. Alright, well, I'm going to finish slicing this up and we'll come back. It's not the greatest carving job in the world. Well, let me pan up here. Hey! So, we got some Donair sauce. Let's give it a try. It's Donair meat in a meatloaf. It's a little more work to roll it out and to cut it thin like that. But by all means, Meatloaf is a whole lot quicker to do and roll it up and throw it in a pan. So, I guess it depends on how much work you feel like putting into it. You know, if you want to get all fancy schmancy and make it look like a restaurant, or, you know, quick and easy. Either or, you're putting Donairs in your belly, so that's all that matters, right? All right, everyone. Thanks for joining in, and until next time, be hungry.